This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Wylie Decor, Toffee Glazed Maple Cabinets interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, LP detector, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, external shower, awning, self-contained, TV, air conditioning, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.